Today we're making cannoli dip. You'll need a box of waffle cones, 1 cup of powdered sugar, 2/3 cup of mini chocolate chips, an 8-ounce package of cream cheese softened, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and 1 cup of ricotta cheese. In a large mixing bowl, add your ricotta, cream cheese, and powdered sugar. Then stir it until smooth with a hand mixer. Then add your vanilla and stir again until well mixed. Then add your chocolate chips and stir with a spoon or spatula. Take your waffle cones and break them into pieces so you can scoop your delicious cannoli dip with it. You'll need the whole box. There you go. This looks amazing. Voila! And serve. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hope you caught that creative bug.